morning, PT Sinar Abadi. This is Riva from PT Jaya Mandiri. May I speak with Mr. Rido, please?
Good morning, Miss Ripa. This is Rido speaking. How may I help?
Thank you, Mr. Rido. I am calling to ask about your product pieces acquisition and availability.
The product are currently available and the price are still valid.
That's good to hear. Could you please do the trial quotation and product specification via email?
We will send the official quotation to you today.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rido. We will review it as soon as possible.
You're welcome, Miss Ripa. Please feel free to contact us if you need further information.
Alright, thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
You too, good day.